Hi there, welcome to the SMSBump channel. Today we'll show you how to launch your first SMS marketing promotion. Together, we'll create and schedule a text marketing campaign for Black Friday. Once logged into Shopify and in the SMSBump app, navigate to the side menu and click on Text Marketing. To get started, select your target audience that will receive your text marketing campaign. That can either be all text subscribers, specific customers, one of your segments, or a list. On occasions such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, you might want to target all of your subscribers with a store-wide sale. In this case, you should choose all text subscribers. Choose specific customers for a quick thank you or a secret deal to your most loyal customers. You can also target a segment offering a deal based on a shared product interest or a geographic location. Next is your sender. If you've got a paid SMSBump account, tick Use a Custom Sender, which will let you write your store's brand name, up to 11 characters max. If you're on a free account, you can choose your phone number or use SMSBump as a sender. Please keep in mind that for some locations such as Canada and the US, all messages will be sent via short code, regardless of the custom sender you've chosen. Now, moving on to campaign scheduling. You can choose to send it now or at a later time. Since Black Friday is on November 29th this year, we'll set the date for a week prior. The reason for that is that in this campaign, we can start generating sales early on and then extend the promotion for latecomers with another last chance flash sale campaign on Black Friday. So we'll schedule it to send out on Friday, November 22nd at 12 p.m. noontime. The campaign will be sent out based on your time zone, which you can change from settings. A very powerful setting you can use with an SMSBump paid account is ticking the checkbox right here. Enabling this setting will send your message based on the recipient's time zone, which means that your customers will receive this message when it's 12 p.m. in their time zone. Next step is entering your campaign name. Make sure that it's relevant to your promotion and easily recognizable. We will automatically add it as a UTM campaign name tag, so when you look at your Google Analytics data, you can easily track the success of your campaign. Of course, your results can also be tracked in the Analytics section in SMSBump. If you have enabled Smart Sending, an additional window will appear prompting you to disable it. Smart Sending helps you avoid overwhelming your SMS subscribers by not sending campaigns to those who have already received a message in the last 17 hours. If you leave Smart Sending enabled, it means that not all customers will receive your campaign in case you've sent them any text messages in the last 17 hours. You can change the time interval from SMSBump settings. Disabling Smart Sending will send your campaign to all of your subscribers. A/B testing is coming soon, but to give you a glimpse, you'll be able to choose percentage of customers targeted for the test group, the split factor, which will determine the winning group based on link clicks, orders, or revenue according to the winning value you set. You'll be able to compose each group test message in the familiar text message box below. But we'll tell you more about it once it launches in our next video tutorial. Now, our Black Friday campaign definitely needs an attention-grabbing image. Keep in mind that this feature currently works for US recipients, and everyone else will receive a standard SMS. You can add images and GIFs from Jiffy and Pexels, or upload an image of your own. I think I'll choose a GIF from Jiffy. This one, with a stampede of women running in heels, seems appropriate, don't you think? You can keep an eye on the mobile preview to the right to see how your text message campaign will appear once sent to your subscribers. So we've come to the most important step, writing your text message. Let's start off with the basic best practices. Always start off with your store name. Click on this shortcode, site name, to add it. Your SMS subscribers should recognize your brand and know who the message is coming from. Then you can write "Hey" and add the first name shortcode to make your message personal. After that, you will need to write the body of your message. Keep it short and clear with a strong call to action. This is how SMS works best. Next, add your discount in the message by ticking the option Add Discount here. Configure the discount you want to give. You can choose from a fixed amount, a percentage, or offer free shipping, which we'll go with. Whichever discount type you choose, it will automatically be embedded in the discount link in your message. Customers will be able to see the deducted amount at checkout. You can either leave the link field empty if you want your discount offer to be site-wide, or paste the URL of the product or collection page you want the discount to be valid for. Click on the Add Discount Code button to add the discount. Great job! Our message is almost complete, but something's missing. What is it? You should always keep an eye on the message strength meter below, which will give you helpful tips along the way. Now, it's telling us that we should add the Stop to Opt-out phrase. It's extremely important to always add this unsubscribe option. Click the Add Stop to Opt-out checkbox to give your subscribers the ability to unsubscribe from your SMS marketing service. You can take a final look at the mobile preview, and if everything looks alright, you can go ahead and send yourself a test message by clicking on Test Campaign Message. You will receive the test text message on your phone. If everything looks alright, you can go ahead and click on Review and Send Campaign to go over the final details. And if all is okay, click on Send Now to launch your campaign. If you're running a campaign without a delay, your message will start sending right away. If you choose to launch a scheduled campaign, like we did in our example, they will send on the date and time you've selected. You can view all the campaign details in the Scheduled Campaign section under Text Marketing in the SMSBump side menu. You can change the scheduled date of your campaign from here, or cancel it by clicking here. So what happens if something comes up, or you're in a hurry and want to save a campaign and return to launch it later? Well, not to worry, as all abandoned text message campaigns will be saved as drafts, which can be edited and sent at a later time. Navigate to Drafts from the SMSBump side menu and click on the View button to edit and send any previously started campaign. And that's it, congrats, you're ready to go. Try launching a text marketing campaign with SMSBump today and let us know how it goes. Give us a like if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.